When you finally reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours requirement for YouTube Partner Program. But get stuck done under review for days, weeks, or even months.
4 to 6 days later.
You lose hope and doesn't want to continue your YouTube career. Well, this video is for you. Today I'm gonna teach you a trick, which is surely make your application get reviewed in no time. I got reviewed, accepted and monetized in just 4 hours. After doing this trick. Stay tuned and don't skip, so you won't miss important details. Open your browser. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio. Then click Analytics. Change this date to last 365 days. Now click Feedback and start writing and tell them you completed the requirements. You can also add some more details. I will write this. I recently met the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. I have over 4,000 hours of watch time and over 1,000 subscribers. Started YouTube 3 months ago and following all the rules and guidelines to show good content for my viewers. I'm just checking to see if there is anything additional you need from me. For the review attached is a screenshot verifying these numbers. Now you need to take screenshot as proof that you reached the requirement for YouTube Partner Program. You should highlight the important details. Date for last 365 days. Your channel. Your subscriber. And your watch hours. After that, just click send. Then wait for the miracle to happen.
A few moments later.
That's all. Good luck on your journey on YouTube. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep notified on our next video. See you guys on the next video. Peace out, bye bye.